Welcome back to Road Test Masters. Are you road test ready? What is the proper action when you see an ambulance approaching with its lights and siren on? Pull over to the right and stop. Continue driving at the same speed. Speed up to clear the way. Flash your headlights to warn other drivers. Pull over to the right and stop. What does a white painted curb mean? Loading zone for freight or passengers. Short-term parking only. No parking allowed at any time. Reserved for handicap parking. Loading zone for freight or passengers. Under what condition is it okay to drive faster than the posted speed limit? When overtaking another vehicle, in no condition. When in a residential area, during an emergency response. In no condition. What should you do before making a right turn at an intersection? Check your mirrors and blind spot, signal and proceed without stopping. Yield to pedestrians and cyclists only. Come to a complete stop before proceeding. Check your mirrors and blind spot. What is the consequence of failing to stop for a school bus with its stop arm extended? A warning, a fine, and points on your driving record. Mandatory jail time, suspension of your driver's license. A fine and points on your driving record. What does a solid yellow line on your side of the road mean? Passing is encouraged. Overtaking and passing is prohibited. You must not cross the line for any reason. Maintenance is underway on your side. Overtaking and passing is prohibited. How do you handle a situation where two lanes merge into one? The vehicle in the left lane has the right of way. Merge as soon as possible without yielding. The vehicle that is merging has the right of way. Vehicles in both lanes should alternate. Vehicles in both lanes should alternate. What is the best practice when driving in heavy fog? Use your high beams for better visibility. Follow other vehicles closely to use their lights for guidance. Turn off all lights to avoid glare from the fog. Slow down and use your low beams. Slow down and use your low beams. What does it mean if your vehicle starts hydroplaning? Your tires are in optimal contact with the road. Your tires may lose contact with the road. You need to increase your speed. It's time to replace your tires. Your tires may lose contact with the road. Before watching, please like and subscribe. What should you do if you accidentally drive past your exit on the freeway? Reverse back to the exit. Immediately stop and wait for a gap to turn back. Proceed to the next exit and find a way back. Call emergency services for assistance. Proceed to the next exit and find a way back. What is the meaning of a yellow flashing traffic light at an intersection? Stop immediately. Proceed with caution. Yield to all traffic on the right. The intersection is malfunctioning. Proceed with caution. Are involved in a minor traffic collision with no injuries. Leave the scene. If there are no visible damages, immediately call the police, exchange information with the other driver, and report the accident if necessary. Drive away quickly to avoid confrontation. Exchange information with the other driver and report the accident if necessary.